Hello, bloomy dear children, students, learners, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. Vowel letters, they are A, E, I, O, U, right? But I have taken here A, first letter of English alphabet, that is A. In these words, A pronounced as I. Okay, dear, one by one, and this is the same letter. Okay, in other words, pronounced differently. So here now A to be pronounced as is to be pronounced as I. In these words, A to be pronounced as I. Okay, M-A-N. M-A-N, A, here you see I. So, mine. F-A-N, fine. V-A-N, wine. R-A-G, rag. T-A-G, tag. B-A-G, bag. R-A-T, rat. C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. Okay, M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. C-A-P, cat. L-A-N-D, light. S-A-N-D, saint. B-A-N-D, bind. Here you see A. Okay, and this is a sound symbol of I. Sound symbol of sound symbol I. It is. Okay, dear. A, sound of A, in other words, in next video. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.